Hey guys, so we have the WG543.9. It's a 0.9 because it doesn't have a battery and it doesn't have a charger. This is direct from Amazon, so it looks like the box came from Worx, so it comes right from the manufacturer. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Gonna do a quick review on it. Pretty simple, straightforward. Looks fine. A little dust on it and stuff, but not too bad. Doesn't look used or anything like that. I assume it came directly from the manufacturer. Some cool things to note about this. I mean, this is the 20 volt max version. There is a 40 volt version. I guess it's a little bit stronger. Weird thing is the CF number or whatever, CFR or CF whatever it's called, CFM or something, doesn't look that much greater on the 40 volt compared to this one, and the 40 volts twice as expensive. So I got this for about $100, so not too bad with tax. Something that other reviewers have mentioned is that you can adjust this. So this is the max speed setting. So supposedly 130 miles an hour is going to come out of the end here. When you put this up, when you put it forward, lock it in place here, this is a high volume setting, so you're going to be pushing, I guess, the same amount of air but over a larger space. What I really like about this that nobody else has mentioned is that you can just remove this completely, so that if you're using just the high speed setting by itself, you don't really need the extra weight of the nozzle. It's superfluous. So I do have a battery here. A battery is going to be one that I use from one of the lawnmowers that I have from Worx. So this is a great option if you already have batteries from Worx. This is the 4 amp hour battery. So, or 4 amp hour instead of the 2 amp hour. 20 volts is going to stay the same, but you can use the 20 volt 2 amp hour or the 20 volt 4 amp hour for this. A lot of people have complained that the 20 volt 2 amp hour, just you get a few minutes out of it and that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and test this out. I want to put this back on here just so that we can get a chance to see what the high volume and the high speed is like. It's extremely lightweight, especially without the battery. So we're just going to do a quick test here. The rabbits are not going to be super happy about it, but there's 2 settings. This is high, this is low, and this is the high speed setting. You can see it does blow some stuff and gravel even out of the rocks with the high volume setting. So this isn't even top speed yet. As Junior, he's not super happy about it, but he doesn't mind the wind. You can see it blows a lot of stuff even in the high volume setting. So we're gonna turn that off. We're gonna, sorry, this isn't high volume, this is a high speed. So here, let's try the high volume setting and see if there's a notable difference. Well, it definitely does more volume, that's for sure. And the main thing I got this for is for blowing like a bunch of rabbit shit all over the place. That seems to do wonders even on the high volume setting. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. This is even on low right now. You can see this is the number 1. It's a really basic control system. 0 for off, 1, and then you got 2, which is high. And high is actually pretty good. It's surprisingly easy to control. All right, let's go back to the high speed, not high volume. Oh wow, look at that, even blows lava rocks off of the the fire pit. Oh wow. Yeah, look at all that dust. Woo. Whoa, yeah, that's pretty powerful. I see why they have 2 settings now. So maybe just a level 1 for this area. Wow. All right, so I'm pretty impressed. This is pretty close to what I expected, but it's a little bit better actually from all the reviews that I read. It did get pretty good reviews, but this is the WG543.9 because it's by itself. I already had the battery pack and the charger, so I didn't need to order a battery. Keep that in mind if you're ordering these. You will need a charger and a battery if you don't have other Worx products. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this. This is awesome for less than $100 actually. I mean, with tax it came to over $100, but I'm happier than I thought I would be even, and I was pretty excited to get this. So it is brushless, so you should get a good amount of battery life out of it. Just for that period of time, we're only down 2 battery levels, so it's not 3, you know, anymore, but it's 2, and that's not bad. I mean, I can do easily my patio here, sides of the house, and still have enough battery to do more if I wanted, maybe even a little bit of the front yard, some stuff outside the wall area here, but pretty impressed. If you guys have any questions, throw them up in the comments. My name is Acclamation X. Have a great day, guys.